Are you tired of water leaking into your gloves while cleaning? Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing cleaning solution that keeps your hands completely dry. If you're someone who regularly washes dishes, cleans bathrooms, or handles messy household chores, then you already know how annoying it is when water gets inside your gloves. It not only feels uncomfortable, but also makes your hands wrinkly and sometimes even irritated. That's exactly where the Casabella Waterblock cleaning gloves come in. These gloves are designed to solve one simple but very frustrating problem: keeping your hands dry while you clean. The standout feature is the extended cuff design. Unlike regular cleaning gloves, these come with long sleeves that prevent water from dripping down into your hands. This is especially helpful when you're washing dishes or scrubbing sinks where water splashes everywhere. Another thing you'll love is the comfort. These gloves are made with a soft cotton lining inside, which makes them comfortable to wear for long periods. You won't feel that sweaty, sticky sensation that you usually get with cheap rubber gloves. The grip is also excellent. Whether you're holding slippery plates, glassware, or cleaning tools, these gloves give you a firm grip, reducing the chances of dropping anything. That means fewer accidents and less stress while cleaning. Durability is another big plus. These gloves are built to last. Unlike low-quality gloves that tear easily, the Casabella Waterblock gloves are made from strong, high-quality materials that can handle regular use without wearing out quickly. Now, let's talk about versatility. These gloves are not just for dishwashing. You can use them for bathroom cleaning, kitchen cleaning, gardening, or even washing your car. Basically, any task where you want to keep your hands clean and dry. One more important benefit is hygiene. Keeping your hands dry helps prevent skin irritation and protects you from harsh cleaning chemicals. This is especially important if you have sensitive skin. In terms of design, these gloves look stylish too. They don't feel like those boring, plain cleaning gloves. Instead, they have a more modern and functional design that actually makes cleaning feel a bit more enjoyable. However, like any product, they are not perfect. Some users may find the size a bit snug, so it's important to choose the right size for your hands. Also, since they are premium gloves, they might be slightly more expensive than regular ones, but considering the comfort and durability, they are definitely worth the investment. So, if you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, and effective cleaning glove that keeps your hands dry and protected, the Casabella Waterblock cleaning gloves are a great choice. If you want to make your cleaning easier and keep your hands dry, check the product link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.